유명해요. 근데 떨려서 못하겠다.
So we've made it to K on our A to Z of London food, and we've come to a Korean restaurant in New Malden, and it's called Ji Ki Ne.
C-H-I. This restaurant Jishine.
Okay, so it's named after you, Mrs. Chi.
1996 we are opening.
It's a lively little restaurant, probably about 20 people in here, and we've just met the owner.
You know you're in a good restaurant when every single customer, bar us, is Korean. They're hunched over their food, slurping away in that Asian style.
Using their chopsticks more efficiently than we were.
Try not to think about it too much. That was my first bit of ox tongue.
So James, what are you going for there?
This is the ox tongue, and my first ever ox tongue as well. So
The taste, fabulous actually. It's pretty nice. Bit of a salty and peppery sauce. I'm trying to think about it.
very nice.
It's good, isn't it?
Really, all we've got here in the middle of the table is a gas burner covered in what looks like a hubcap. That is then, you really place onions and your meat on top of it and really cook it very quickly. But it's a great concept for communal eating. James, just what you expected Korean food to be?
You know what? I came here with an open mind. I'm deeply ignorant when it comes to Korea, unfortunately. But I'm very pleasantly surprised. And just, it's great.
It's real soul food, isn't it?
It is, yeah, definitely.
That's my dad,
Oh, right, it's got that. That is dreadful. That's horrible.
We're back using the barbecue in the centre of the table. Instead of grilling meat now, we're heating a low pan which is absolutely brimming over with seafood. Mrs. Chi is just ladling up the soup and tofu and chilli and claws and curling up bits of squid.
Octopus?
An octopus tentacle lurking.
Possibly langoustine crab. Oh, red crab. Winkles, are they? Dog whelks?
It's very colourful, but I've got a feeling underneath there are noodles and all sorts of wonderful Korean influences, but we shall wait and see.
Fantastic.